In the wake of the Stoneman Douglas shooting, there has been a push for legislators to enact new gun laws. Florida Governor Rick Scott has made changes at the state level, and some city governments want to enact their own legislation. That's our top story tonight. Thank you for joining us. I'm Alexa Lorenzo.
And I'm David Jones. A battle is brewing as 9 Florida cities are suing the state for that right. WUFT's Shamari Morrison has the latest as Gainesville decides whether or not they will join the fight.
We feel that the state's preemption of local governments from taking action on guns or really anything else that represent the values of those residents is inappropriate, and we would like to seek remedy to that.
The lawsuit, filed by 9 other Florida cities, claims a statute restricting all local municipalities from passing any gun legislation is too broad, unconstitutional, and violates local elected officials' rights to govern.
Every city in Florida isn't able to implement common sense laws and ordinances that would both protect people and also do what their own residents want them to do. Every community is different.
The March for Our Lives Gainesville rally organizer Heather Yu says more needs to be done after Parkland. She says the federal government is moving too slow on gun control.
And since state governments want to get more involved, I feel like they're pushing for bigger steps, so it'll attain the end result but quicker.
Gainesville commissioners say they want the power to consider restricting guns in city facilities, parks, and have some gun-free zones. But some city residents think giving local government this power could get confusing for people trying to follow the law.
It would be a terrible thing for me to be able to defend myself in one part of Florida and not another, with different cities and local municipalities making up their own rules.
Post says no matter what side you're on,
if you oppose or support any particular thing your city's doing, you have a chance to show up to City Hall. You have a chance to sit down with your elected officials.
City commissioners will discuss this issue in just minutes. They decide tonight. What they'll decide tonight is whether they'll join 9 cities in this battle to create local gun laws in the state of Florida.